Hi everyone! To make these cute and adorable pine cone ornaments, you need a pine cone. This is actually part of a Christmas tree. These are little Christmas tree branches. We're gonna need 2 of those. We are gonna use some of these little cute red berries that we got from Dollar Tree. Some yarn or thread or whatever you would like to use for your hook. Little bird. And we're gonna use some fake snow. Alright, so to get started we are gonna cut our string. This is what we're gonna use to hang our ornament with. Let's cut that right off. And we are going to glue that in the back of our ornament. Next we are going to take our long, we have 2 sizes. Our long size is going to be in the bottom, and then we're going to do a little shorter size crisscross from that. I think we'll add our cute little bird. I love these little birds. Pick these up at any craft store. And I have all different colors. I have a red one I'm going to use today. We have green. We have any color. They're really cute. I'll set him right in the middle. Okay. Then I'm going to add a few of these little red berries. Alright, next I'm going to add my little fake snow. I love this stuff. Just comes in a jar and you just brush it on with a paintbrush or whatever you want. It's kind of thick, so you have to make sure you really scoop it out. And we are just going to brush the tips of these with a little snow. Alright, so we finished our bird ornaments and now we get to package them. I went ahead and I did a ton of these. They're super cute and they were really fun to do. So I'm just going to package this for a friend. And we're just going to use a little bit of tissue paper, wrap that in tissue paper, and put it in this cute box that we got from Joann's. I'm going to use a little ribbon. Through here. We have a tag with the name on it as well.